Since they first became part of our lives, digital displays have pretty much always been flat and rigid, pixels arranged in rectangular grids. But our lives are not flat and rigid, and our potential to interact with technology should not be restricted by the shape of our screens. What if the pixel could break free from the confines of solid rectangles? If pixels were free to be any shape, the creative possibilities really start to open up. We could begin to imagine displays that can be produced roll to roll, that are flexible. We start to think of displays as materials. Being able to cut, fold, and transform displays from 2D surfaces into 3D shapes would give designers an entirely new language with which to express themselves. Displays that can be treated as any other material, that can be carved, laser cut, or vacuum formed. They could completely change the way we approach everyday objects. Think, for example, of a lamp composed of light-sensitive pixels, responsive to the environment around it. Pixels like these on an industrial scale would provide a means to create large, flexible displays for architectural spaces, taking forms that are completely optimized for their environments and use. These materials can retain images with zero power usage, and as a result, you're not designing around technology, you're designing into it, from buildings we occupy to the clothes we wear. Material properties could disrupt the way we currently approach design and how we interact with digital displays. They open up entirely new opportunities for products and applications. Without the limits of flat and rigid rectangles, displays will soon enable us to express ourselves in completely new ways.